Hello everyone, welcome to Hardware Networking Courses channel. Up till now we have gone through basic electronics, computer hardware, related with software, types of software with full explanation. This was just a basic topic of computer which we just go through since we have already learned in our school time. We had left back some stuff to explain with you all. These are fundamentals of computer, MS-DOS, MS Windows, Office Word 207, Office Excel 207, Visual Foxtrot 6.0, MS Office, PowerPoint 207. Today's topic which we are going to begin is with fundamentals of computer. Fundamental of computer. Define computer. Features of computer are there. Generation of computer. Input and output device, definition of CPU, definition of memory and definition of software. তাহলে এগুলো নিয়ে আমরা আজকে জাস্ট একটা রিভাইজ দেব। Define computer. A computer is an electronic device. More technically, a computer defined as a high-speed data processing machine. It accepts data from various sources as input, process them all, merge together them in desired corner and finally gives us the result as output. Features of computer. There are 5 types of features: speed, accuracy, storage, diligence, versatility. First, speed. A computer works with much higher speed and accuracy compared to human while performing mathematical calculations. Computer can process millions of instructions per second. The time taken by computer for their operation is microsecond and nanosecond. তারপরে accuracy. Computer perform calculation with 100% accuracy. Errors may occur due to data inconsistency or inaccuracy. তারপরে আছে diligence. A computer can perform millions of tasks or calculation with the same consistency and accuracy. It does not feel any fatigue or a lack of concentration. Its memory also makes it superior to that of human being. Versatility. Versatility refers to the capability of computer different kind of works with same accuracy and efficiency. Reliability. A computer is a reliable as it gives a consistent result for a similar set of data. That is, if we give same set of input any number of times, we will get the same result. Automation. Computer perform all the tasks automatically. That is, it performs tasks without manual intervention. Memory. A computer has built-in memory called primary memory where it stores data. Secondary storage are removable devices such as CD, pen drive, etc. which are also used to store data. Generation of computer. Generation of computer. Abacus was the first calculating device was developed in around 3000 BC. In and around 1833, Charles Babbage designed analytical engine. He was the pioneer of a modern digital computer technology. Hence, he known as the father of the computer. First generation of computer since 1945 to 1955. In this generation of computer based on valves and vacuum tube. ENIAC. It full form was electronic numerical integer and calculator was the best example of the computer. তখনকার দিনে এই ইলেকট্রনিক নিউমেরিক্যাল ক্যালকুলেটরটা সবথেকে বেস্ট এক্সাম্পল ছিল। It contained 18,000 vacuum tube. It was a very large in size, 30 feet to 50 feet, generated too much heat. Second generation computer হচ্ছে since 1956 to 1965. Vacuum tube was replaced into transistors in 1959. The size of the transistors is also 1/200 of the size of the vacuum tube with the increased speed. It has 128 KB main memory. Third generation of computer. In third generation of computer technology completely changed and transistors was replaced by the IC integrated circuit. These circuits are produced by the metal oxide semiconductor technology. This computer was 10,000 times faster than first generation computer. Memory was 1 MB. So আজকে এই পর্যন্তই রাখলাম। আমরা পরবর্তী ক্লাসটায় MS DOSটা নিয়ে আসবো আর MS উইন্ডোটা করাবো। So it's time to wrap up with my video. See you soon on my next video with new topic. আচ্ছা, যাদের এখানে ধরো কোনো প্রবলেম বা কিছু হলো আমার কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানিও, আমি সেই জায়গাটা কমেন্টস করে তোমাদের বা অন্য একটা ক্লাসে অন্য একটা ভিডিওতে বুঝিয়ে সেটা আপলোড করে দিয়ে দেবো। Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel for more new awesome video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.